Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the command console in MicroSurvey's FieldGenius, and in my case I'm going to be doing a reset of my receiver using this command console to send the reset command. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've Bluetooth paired to my receiver. I'm going to head to the top right corner there, and then I'm going to select on command console here. And from within this command console menu here, I can enter a series of commands. So in my case, I'm going to copy in this set, device period F reset, and that's going to perform a factory reset on my receivers. If I hit send here, what it's going to do is it's going to send the command, and you can see here that it is now reading off the commands that the receiver is doing. It's resetting the memory, saving configurations, and checking the status and health of my different applications on the receiver. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you access the command console in MicroSurvey's FieldGenius, as well as perform a factory reset using a command. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.